It's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets.
What the fuck am I saying? Who you know?
She likes that. He two-ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces at the.
Turn that shit up. Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she don't want no nigga, baby, let's face it.
Hey guys, it's your girl Shaylicious and welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing an Amazon unboxing. I got some stuff off Amazon and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So let's start with this. This is a Funtin air dryer. I don't know if you guys watched like one of my previous videos where I was doing my wig and I said that I wanted a pink air dryer. So I finally got one. This is like blush pink though, but it's cute. I like rose pink, but it's still cute because it's still pink. Okay, so I already, because I opened all of these packages and I went through everything already just to make sure that I got what I ordered. So all of them are open. So let's dig into the bag. So we have the comb thingy for your hair to like comb it through when you washed it, after you washed it. And this one is for making it straight. Yeah, people have straight hair and when they washed it and they want to, like, you know, straighten it a little bit, I think that's for straightening it. What the fuck am I saying? Anyways, this one is the one for the curls, like the crimping thing, you know. Yeah, I'm mostly gonna use this, the comb, definitely. Let's get into the box. Guys, isn't this cute? I love pink. It comes in this cute ass pink thing. And here's the air dryer. It's so cute. Guys, I paid like $30 for this and I've been using it. I just put it back in the box to do the video, but I've been using it and it's very powerful and it feels like quality, honestly. Like, I can't even tell nobody I paid $30 for this. Yeah, it's giving. It is giving, and I mean, I was gonna say it worked. Of course it worked. I've been using it. So I'm not gonna, oh, let me turn it on for you guys because it has a pretty blue light. It has a pretty blue light when it's on. So it has 2 speed, 1 and 2. So that's 1 and that's 2. Very powerful. And you have, wait, this is cold and you got like warm and hot. Yeah, so that's it for the air dryer. I really love this, guys. And it's not big, like it's a perfect travel size air dryer. Like, you could travel with this, you know. It's not big and it's very modern. Yeah, so get with it. Definitely recommend this. Okay, so next, okay, let's do this. So this is for my room. I got me some LED lights. This is my second time purchasing LED lights. The ones that you see behind my bed, those are the first ones that I ordered. I was supposed to put them up, but I've been so lazy, and I've been like plugging it in and just using it, and now it's like it's just smashed up. Like some of the lights don't even work, so I just ordered like a new one. $100 feet. I think this is, each one is 50, makes 100 feet. And you get some like some connected stuff if you want to like put them together. Never done that before, but I've watched a few videos to see how they do it. It's pretty easy. And you also get this part to attach to it. It also comes with that barcode thing that you could like operate it from your phone, and it has some buttons on the side that you could use to control it. So that's the second item. And oh, I forgot, comes with a remote also. So I'm gonna plug this up for you guys to show you like the different colors and stuff. Okay, there we go. So this is off on. You could set a timer also, like 1 hour, 2 hours. Set it to run for only 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. And you have like different, I want to say speed, like patterns. This one is like faster. Ooh, this one is blinky. And you have different speed. You could slow it down, and you could slow down the different patterns also. You have 3 different patterns, and you could slow down each one. And you have different mood and brightness. You could turn it up or you could turn it down. And you have different colors: red, green, blue, yellow. What's this? This is mixed between red and green. This one is like a lighter blue. Got purple, kind of look pinkish on the cam, but it's purple. This is like orange, and you got white. So yeah, guys. So that's it. It does work. I'm hoping to make a video when I'm putting up these and my LED sign, so you guys can see, hopefully. So that's it for that. Now we are gonna do, let's do this. I ordered a wig mannequin stand-ish. I don't know what's the correct name. The mannequin head thing for the wig, because I really need one of that to pluck my wigs and stuff. So I paid for the mannequin head, I paid like $27 I think. And for the stand was for like $19. I think I'll put the amount on the screen or in the description along with the links. So this is the mannequin hair. I'm so happy. This one is pretty big though. It looks big. I don't even remember what size I got. It's been so long. And you got some goodies in the pack. So you got some pins to like pin your wigs down and stuff. And these cute little clips to put your hair back. And I think this is to fit the head onto the stand. Yeah. This is the stand. As I said before, everything is open because I already went through everything to check if I had gotten everything. This is very tall too. Some fittings again. Yeah, this is the stand. It's kind of like my ring light. Yeah, so that's the stand. And the little pouch thing that you could like, you know, travel with. Okay, so I saved the best thing for last. Ooh, listen. Oh, this is my favorite. I'm so excited. So, can you guys guess what's in this? I mean, you guys already know. Based on the cover, but this is my LED sign of my name, period. Shaylicious baby. Okay, it's official. Okay. Ooh. We got some goodies in the box. Oh, I don't want to break it, you know. I would cry. I think I paid like $7 to $8 for this from a company off Amazon. I would recommend you guys shopping with them. I'm gonna leave the link in the description because they're very professional. Honestly, they be like sending me messages and on your package and stuff. So first, you got like a remote thing and a little manual at the back. And you got some chains to like, if you want to put it up on the wall and not like screw it onto the wall. I guess these are the screws to like if you want to put it on the wall directly. And these are the ports to connect. I'm definitely gonna plug this in for you guys cause I think she's excited. This is my favorite, guys. My favorite. Let's go, baby. Don't play with her. I'm official, okay? I am official. So, okay, let me plug it in for you guys. Let me plug it up. I have to plug it in the wall. Who you know? Who you know, bitch? Who you know? I was thinking about putting this over my bed head or probably on the wall because I wanted like a signature wall where I could do like my videos, makeup videos and stuff. Or probably I'll order another one. I'm not sure yet, honestly. Let me turn the light on. Okay. It's still in the plastic. God, I'm official. What does that spell, y'all? Shaylicious. Don't play with her. SHAYLICIOUS. Shaylicious. Don't play with her, okay? You know the vibe. So yeah, that's it. This is my favorite. So that's the end of this video. I'll leave the link to all these goodies in the description. So if you guys want to like get yourself anything that you saw in the video, you can. Hope you guys like this video. Please remember and leave a comment, okay? Thank you guys for watching my first Amazon unboxing. Stay tuned for more. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Like, please leave a comment, okay? And please like this video. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she